Alexander, are you feeding yourself? Are you feeding yourself your yummy dinner? What's for dinner tonight? Bubba? Oh yeah? Are you feeding Cooper now? Alexander? Oh look, you're putting it in your hair. What are you doing? We're going to have a really long tubby. What are you putting it on your hair for? Here, Bubba, have a nice piece. There you go. What are you putting... Bubba, don't put it in your hair. Here you go. Uh-oh. Here you go. Here you go, Bubba. There. All is good when there's food in the mouth. Alexander, stop doing that. Who's putting food in your hair? How about a veggie stick? You want a veggie stick? Cooper loves it when you throw food in your hair because then it lands on the ground. Huh, Coop? Staying close by. Alexander. Alexander, I'm gonna tickle your toes. Tickle, tickle, tickle your toes. Tickle, tickle, tickle your tickle toes. Tick, 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 tick. What are you putting it on your head for? Look at that on your head. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Can I see your tickle button? Is it right here? Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh yeah, we're not going to throw the plate. Yummy pasta. Alexander. Yeah.